we are going to prepare drumstick leaves tea. Drumstick leaf has a high content of iron. It is rich in vitamin A, which is good for eyesight. It has 3 times greater potassium content than of banana. 1 hand of leaves is equal to 140 milligram of potassium, so it helps in reduces the blood pressure. Let me show you this preparation. Boil 2 cups of water. Add crushed onion, garlic, cumin seeds, pepper and boil for 1 minute. After boiling, add 1 cup of leaves and salt as needed. Mix well and close the lid. After boiling for 5 minutes and strain it, and your drumstick leaves tea is ready. Benefits of drinking this tea is, it increases the hemoglobin level in the blood, improves the immunity and eye vision.